Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I was thinking what to do because I can't buy any makeup. So sad. I know it's not the biggest deal at all right now because everybody's stuck. I'm also. So today I thought what can I do with the makeup I have, and I was not prepared for living 1 month out of my hostel life. So yeah, I was thinking I would do this makeup. You can see these. I think I can do. I don't have the lashes, nor have the eyebrows for the same. But I think I can recreate it in my own way. I'm trying to. So yeah, this is the makeup. Let's see how well I do. I would be doing my eyebrows, and after that I would be coming back after carving out because they have outgrown. I'm sorry you have to see that, but can't do anything. And I don't bought my razors, facial razors with me right now, so I have to get with it. So yeah, enough of this negative thoughts. Let's get started. Hope you enjoy my video. If you like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me. So yeah, let's get started. It's totally filled. So now I am just carving it out because hairs are there. I will just be carving it out. This one and just to make sure that it is completely padded. Will be in voiceover, but just to let you know, I'm using the Colorful palette. It is in matte palette of them, and it is very nice. For 175 rupees, it is totally worth it. So yeah, that the rest would be in voiceover. So yeah, let's get started with the voiceover and started with the look. Guys, I would be taking the red color from the palette and using a blending brush, just depositing the color little by little, very slowly, and just blending it out so that I have a blown out crease at least. So the starting point would be a little bit at a time and blending it properly, and after that I would be applying the color with the flat shader brush. So yeah, I'm just using a pencil brush just to make sure that the crease is defined. So I'm taking the red color from the palette and making sure that it is completely platted up on my eyelid. I'm using a flat shader brush just to make sure it has full pigmentation. So all over again we are just patting it and slightly blending it on the eyelid. I was actually trying to make it a full cut crease just using the shadow, but that was not so pigmented and the stickiness was gone. That's why I was not really successful with that. But again I'm adding it and just blend. Now again I'm using blending brushes to blend the edges out. So we have a smoky, blown out kind of like red color. So now I'm gonna just remove the tape kind of thingy and just make sure that the edges are not so sharp. So just kind of slightly blending it. Applying concealer, that is self-explanatory, I guess. Yeah. Applying powder and poking my eye like 15 times. Now we are gonna be tackling the lower lash line. It's very hard for me just to make faces and to be actually nice looking, because lower lash line is really very hard, and technically I do poke my eye like 5 times. I'm just gonna blend it properly. Enough of my rambling. I wanted my eye to be really smoky. That the inner corners are really highlighted, so I'm using Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I don't know the shade. I would tell you later, but it's the lighter shade of all. And just to apply in my inner corner and slightly above inner corner, because I like that look and I like it a lot. So guys, this is the final look. I just applied a little bit black eyeliner, but just smudged it out, or just to make my eyelashes a little bit thicker. I haven't applied mascara. I'm really sorry, but I had one and I just lost it. I don't know where it goes. So yeah, I think you liked this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hope I'm trying to do the best I can with the products I have. So yeah, I would see you really soon. But before that, stay safe, stay at your home, and be happy. I know it's a very bad time for us, but just stay secure. Everything will be fine, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.